Can you hear me? Do you feel the way I do? Do you like to blow off steam when that working week is through? Raise 'em up, throw 'em down, do it all again. I know a little place we can go downtown. Here's what we'll do, my friend. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. It'll push like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox blasting Paradise City. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Bend still like a honky-tonk Superman. Crushing cans. Let's go, y'all. Leave the car keys behind you. No one's driving home tonight. Have one, have two, have three, and more until you feel alright. Raise 'em up, throw 'em down, do it all again. Till neon sign says closing time. This night don't have to end. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. It'll push like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox blasting Paradise City. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Bend still like a honky-tonk Superman. Crushing cans. Line 'em up here. My buddies and me gonna make it disappear. Cheers to the good times, cheers to the bad, and the cold ones we're about to have. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. A little bush like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox blasting Paradise City. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Bend still like a honky-tonk Superman. Crushing cans. Little bush like buzz, make it feel just right. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Crushing cans.
Let's learn Crushin' Cans. It's choreographed by Willie Brown. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Crushin' Cans. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to scuff our right heel forward, hitch your right knee up, and then step back with your right foot. We're now going to do heel swivels. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we swivel both heels to the left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. Swivel both heels to the right, swivel both heels to the left. We're now going to do cross back sides. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, and step your right foot to the right side. Cross your left over your right, step back with your right, and step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your scuff hitch step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do heel switches. So you're going to place your right heel forward, quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, and we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. We're now going to press our left toe forward. You're going to rotate your left heel out, in, and then you're going to kick your left foot forward. We're now going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heels. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we step to the right, you're going to bring your right hand up like you're holding a drink. So you're going to step and bring it up, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and as we step, you're going to bring your right hand across your body like you are throwing your drink down to the ground. So we just had it up, you're stepping and throwing, and as you do that, you're going to touch your right toe behind your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. We're going to do a weave, crossing your left behind your right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and touch your left toe behind your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to step to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and step your left foot forward. We're now going to do syncopated lock steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're now going to step your left foot forward into the diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just touched, we're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your quarter half. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your scuff, hitch, step back. Scuff, hitch, step back, quarter, twist, 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 cross, back, side, cross, back, side. Heel, step, shuffle forward, press, twist, twist, kick, coaster, cross, step to the side, touch, out, step to the side, touch behind. Side, behind, and cross, side, touch behind. Quarter, half, coaster, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your scuff, hitch, step back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to come on the end of wall 2. So you'll be finishing your 6 o'clock facing wall, coming back to 12 o'clock, and you're going to do this tag one time only. So let's talk about the tag. Weight is going to be on your left foot. We're going to do the first 4 counts of the dance like we would normally do. So you're going to do your scuff, hitch, step back, scuff, hitch, step back, and your quarter, twist, twist, twist. Now, we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to start a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. You should be somewhere between 4:30 and 6 o'clock, or the diagonal in the back wall. You're now going to finish your quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your left. We're now going to stomp our right in place, stomp your left in place. And that is the whole tag. You will then start wall 3 facing 6 o'clock. So that tag is going to cause you to switch walls, but it also helps make the ending end at 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now let's do it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your scuff, hitch, step back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next wall. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our scuff, hitch, step. Scuff, hitch, step back, quarter, twist, 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 cross, back, side, heel, step, shuffle forward, press, twist, twist, kick, coaster, cross, step to the side, touch to the side, step to the side, touch behind, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch behind, quarter, half, coaster, step, step, lock, step, lock, step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Do your tag, scuff, hitch, step back, quarter, twist, 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 cross, start your turn, finish your turn, step forward, stomp, stomp, start over, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Scuff, hitch step back, quarter twist, 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 cross back side, heel step, shuffle forward, press, twist, twist, kick, coaster, cross step to the side with your touch, step to the side, touch behind, side, cross, side, touch behind, quarter, half, coaster, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing 12 o'clock on a full 32 count. What I like to do, because there is a few counts before the song officially ends, when you finish those 32, I like to do the first 2 counts of the dance. So I do my scuff, hitch, step back, and I kind of pose. And that is where I like to end the dance. But it's not listed on the step sheet, so if you would just like to finish it on that 32 count, you can. That choice is yours. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Crushin' cans. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Listen up, can you hear me? Do you feel the way I do? Do you like to blow off steam when that working week is through? Raise 'em up, throw 'em down, do it all again. I know a little ways we can go downtown. Here's what we'll do, my friend. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. A little push like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox blasting Paradise City. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Bend still like a honky-tonk Superman. Crushing cans. Let's go, y'all. Leave the car keys behind you, no one's driving home tonight. Have 1, have 2, have 3 and more until you feel alright. Raise 'em up, throw 'em down, do it all again. That neon sign says closing time, this night don't have to end. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. A little push like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox blasting Paradise City. Knocking them down, one by one, like a wrecking crew out to have a little fun. Bend still like a honky-tonk Superman. Crushing cans. Line 'em up here. My buddies and me gonna make it disappear. Cheers to the good times, cheers to the bad, and the cold ones we're about to have. We'll be crushing cans on a Friday night. A little bush like buzz, make it feel just right. Country girls in here looking so pretty. Jukebox